I don't feel so good. I've been suffering from hiccups all day. What could I do to scare Dogday's hiccups away? What is that over there? Oh, yes. Come on, you beauty. Let's get you in the PlayStation 5. Dogday. Yes, cameraman. I've got a surprise for you. What is it? Well, watch it and you'll see. Okay then. It can't be. You did this to me! Well, at least your hiccups are gone. That's it! Ow! That hurt! I don't care. That's what you get for scaring with the THX Broadway logo. Tell you what, I'm just gonna go watch the chase right now, because who cares? What's up with him?